Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from CUBOT King Kong Mini 3 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, click on the same options on both devices. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of King Kong 1. Now Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on King Kong Mini 3, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. When you're ready, select Send next to Selected at the bottom. Click Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And select Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!